Namaste ji, namaste. Welcome to yet another episode of Legal Current Affairs. Now, before we start, the notification for the BHU examination is out. You can check the community tab. The notification for MCQs law is already out. So, zara please dhyan rakhenge if you want to take those examinations. And it's always take an examination. It's never give an examination. No? Common English. Legal current affairs mein analyzing bills. So for two examinations, these are critical. One is AILET, the other is LLM. Usually in other undergrad examinations, they are not so obsessed with the bills that have been passed. Alright, so this is significant news. You can call it under as in current affairs can be aa sakti hai. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. So these union territories have been merged. Thanks to the merger of union territory bill. So I'm not going to name the entire bill because uske par koi zyada koi MCQ banta nahi. But now, what exactly are the MCQs, the probable MCQs? Because we need not, study for 2 hours, 3 hours on these very topics and do a PhD on them, whereas only barely one MCQ has to show up. So on which date is this basically coming into force? That is the 26th January 2020 from the Gazette. So always make it a rule as future lawyers to refer to the Gazette, because people, all of these websites tend to keep on making mistakes, and by referring to these websites, we also make mistakes, and I'll get to one mistake here. Alright, so 2 Lok Sabha seats have been accorded because earlier 1 plus 1 was there, so now it's basically ikhte karke 1 union territory ho gayi, 2 Lok Sabha seats inko de di. Now the obvious question is, now what do you do? What do you amend to do all of this? Well, you go after the first schedule. First schedule, kahan pe diya hua hai? Mujhe yaad aa raha hai? Constitution, of course. Alright. High Court of Bombay. So jurisdiction, ab in dono mein jurisdiction kiski rahegi? Another possible MCQ is, which High Court has the jurisdiction over these new union territories? Or union territory rather. That's the High Court of Bombay. And why is Article 240 mentioned? That's homework for you. You want to read Article 240 and why they have had to amend Article 240. Read Article 240, related MCQ. Then we come to the 104th Amendment. Yes, so don't get confused. It's not 126th Amendment. That is the number of the bill. So when we get to the 104th Amendment, what have they done? 104th Amendment actually is a series of amendments. It's just one in a line of series. The last one is 95th Amendment, और उससे पहले आपको सीरीज बनानी पड़ेगी. और शुरू ये कहाँ से हो रही है? क्योंकि जब से हमें आज़ादी मिली है, so we have been giving reservation for SC and STs in the Lok Sabha. So अभी तक क्या था? Up till this amendment, we had given them as in the reservation by the 95th Amendment up till the January 2020. Now we have to extend it because otherwise that reservation will get over. So we've had to amend the constitution, and the last such amendment was the 95th Amendment. और इससे पहले वाली, if you have Lakshmikant, you're going to just have a look at that table and amendments. उसके अंदर से आप देख लेंगे और अपनी एक chain बना लेंगे. All right. Then we come to the Arms Amendment Bill 2019. So first MCQ, which act has it amended? ये साल थोड़ा सा आपको याद करना पड़ेगा. Arms Act 1959. Now, where the error is, all right, PRS says कि आपने 3 firearms to 1 firearm कर दिया. That is what the website says. The official act, as in the bill under the official gazette, says the maximum firearms are now allowed, that is per person is, तो website कह रही है 3 से 1, लेकिन official gazette में कह रहे हैं 3 से 2. तो अगर सवाल पूछ लिया गया तो जो ऑफिशियल सोर्स कहेगा आप सिर्फ उस पर फोकस करेंगे. ठीक है जी. मैक्सिमम बेसिकली तो पीरियड था आपका. अब 2 फायर आर्म मैक्सिमम आप रिटेन कर सकते हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली एक आपको सरेंडर कराना पड़ेगा. 2 से ऊपर हैं जितने भी हैं आपके पास. मैक्सिमम पहले 3 इयर्स के लिए एक फायर आर्म लाइसेंस मिलता था. दैट्स एक्सटेंडेड टू 5 years. So I think this is episode 4 or 5. I really don't remember in the series right now. We'll be continuing this series, in which we'll be covering all the important bills that have been made into acts by being notified in the Gazette and receiving presidential assent right this year. ठीक है जी. All right, that's about it. Yeah, that really is it. All right, take care. Bye bye.